This method works worldwide. And you won't need a camera or any skills in order to get paid. Stay tuned to learn how. Just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content, then show your support. Make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. Now, let's jump straight into the video itself. So, the very first site I will show you today is called Shutterstock.com. This is actually the site that will be pay us today. Now, Shutterstock is a place where you can literally find thousands upon thousands of royalty-free images. Meaning that when you download them, you can use them literally however you want. And the reason so many people are using Shutterstock is simply because it's far cheaper to pay Shutterstock a set amount of money per month and download images that were taken by professional photographers rather than to buy a camera and try to take them yourself. So, this is why Shutterstock is so extremely popular. It's just simply a cheaper, easier alternative if you want to find great images. Now, you will find on their homepage some of the world's biggest companies. You have Google, AMC, BuzzFeed, and Marvel on here. So, it's definitely a legitimate website. Now, this site will indeed pay us. And, as you may guess, this means that we have to upload photos on here. But, here's the kicker, you won't need a camera or any skills for this purpose. I know that most of you watching this don't have a camera or any photography skills. So, I'll make it clear that you won't need them. Now, something that makes Shutterstock so great to make money online is that you'll essentially be making money in passive income. The way you get paid is simple. When someone downloads your photo, you get paid a set amount of money. And, since your photos stay on here forever, that means that you can make money in pure passive income. You just upload the photos here and leave them be, and that's all. Your work is essentially done. Moreover, something that makes Shutterstock even better to get paid by uploading images is the fact that it's so popular. As you can see, in the past month, 74 million people visited Shutterstock. This is 13% more than in the month of February, when only 65 million people visited the site. So basically, not only are there millions of people visiting Shutterstock, but you have a great opportunity to make a lot of money. Anyway, come back on Shutterstock. I want to show you precisely what you need to do when you first come on here. And that is to scroll down to the very bottom and then click on Sell Your Content, which is located under the Contributor section. Now, you can see a bit more detail on how this works. So basically, photographers take their pictures, they then upload them onto Shutterstock, and they will make money every time their content is downloaded by one of our worldwide customers. So, like I said before, the more downloads on your photo, the more money you will make. And, since this site gets so much traffic, it's virtually guaranteed that you will get paid a decent sum. Lastly, on here, you can see that you can also refer people here to earn more money. And this site is actually fantastic to promote as an affiliate. By clicking on See Global Earnings, you will see that this site is worldwide available. In any case, to get started working for Shutterstock, what you need to do is come back here and click on Get Started. Then, just enter in your basic information and create an account. Let me show you the site where you can get the said photos. It's idplr.com. This is a site where you can find not only images but also various other products. And you can see which products exactly by hovering your mouse over products here. You've got ebooks, software, videos, templates, graphics, and music. Since we are after photos, you have to click on Resell Rights in the graphic section. As it says, resale rights, that means we have full rights to make money from these photos. And something I really appreciate about this site is that these photos are all grouped up into packages. So, you won't have to spend God knows how much time downloading them one by one. Just download one of these packages that contain hundreds, even thousands of different photos. For example, here's one of those I've opened up. You'll see this can be sold. You can sell this and make money from it. And make sure to read all of this before downloading the photos. In any case, to download it, you just have to click on download. However, in order to do that, you'll need an account. So just create one real quick. Once you do, you have to download all of the packages you can find and then just come back to Shutterstock. Upload all of the photos you've just downloaded. And since there will be so many, that enables you to make a lot more money in passive income. We are literally talking about thousands of photos here. Now, for those of you who have stayed with me until this point, I actually have a bonus strategy for you to earn even more money in passive income. Well, it's through their referral program that I mentioned a while back. To get started as an affiliate, simply scroll down to the bottom. Click on affiliate under the partner section. And just check this out, join the Shutterstock affiliate program and earn up to $300 per new customer purchase. So, a single person you refer here can earn you up to $300. Shutterstock is one of the highest paying sites out there as far as affiliate marketing is concerned. So, it is definitely worthwhile to promote it as an affiliate by using various social media platforms like Facebook, for example. Of course, you don't need to, but it is a great option in my opinion. Since the money will start adding up when you add in the affiliate program. Lastly, in case you are a photographer or want to become one and you have a camera, then that's the best option out of all. Since taking the photos by yourself will add originality. And with that, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, as always, support me by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you haven't already, be sure to click on that red subscribe button. And turn on the notifications if you don't want to miss any of the upcoming videos. As always, thank you for watching and see you all soon.